In today's video, I am going to teach you how to activate Facebook Pixel on Shopify. To get started, sign in to your Shopify admin for the store where you want the Pixel active. From your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings, then open Apps and Sales Channels. This is where Shopify manages the sales channel connections and the apps that can share data with platforms like Meta. In the Apps and Sales Channels area, find and open Facebook and Instagram. If it is already installed, you will be taken straight into its setup and connection options. If you are seeing an option to begin connecting, you are in the right place. Next, select Start Setup. Shopify will prompt you to log into Facebook. Make sure you log in using your personal Facebook account that has admin access to the correct business manager. This is important because if you use an account without the right permissions, you may not be able to see the assets you need, like your page or your pixel. If you manage multiple businesses, double-check that you are connecting the assets for the correct one. After login, you will move into the Link Assets part of Setup. Here you will be asked to select your business manager, your Facebook page, and your data sharing level. Choose the business manager that owns the assets for this Shopify store. Then pick the Facebook page that represents your brand. When selecting the data sharing level, choose the option that matches how you want Shopify to share customer and conversion data with Meta so your tracking and ad optimization work as expected. Once your assets are linked, you will be prompted to choose the specific pixel you want to activate for this store. Select the correct pixel from the list, then click Confirm. Take a moment to make sure you are not selecting a pixel from a different store or brand, especially if you have more than one. Finally, you will see the Meta terms and conditions. Review them, accept the terms, and then click Finish Setup. At that point, your Facebook pixel is connected through the Facebook and Instagram channel in Shopify, and it can begin tracking activity based on the settings you selected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.